Hey y'all, it's your girl Cooking with Chrissy, and today we are making fish tacos. So today I've already prepared and made the slaw. So you get a bag of coleslaw and the slaw dressing. You can buy that at your local grocers. Let's take a peek at that. That's your slaw. The dressing, got that all looking all good. You just whip that up and put it in the refrigerator. Next, you will make your salsa, which is a pico de gallo mix. So here I have jalapenos, tomatoes, cilantros, and of course my favorite, red onions. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take all of this and mix it in the bowl. Cilantro, red onions, jalapenos, tomatoes, and your tomatoes, of course. And this was 1 tomato cut up, 2 jalapenos cut up, and a slice of red onion and a few pieces of cilantro. And then you just mix that all in a bowl together. And you mix that all in a bowl together, and once you get that all mixed together, you just want to put a lid on that as well and stick it in the refrigerator with the slaw. Next, we'll take and put this in the sink. And here I have my fish seasoning. You can either put it in a bag, you could put it on a plate. I like to put it in a bag, it's less mess. That way when I'm done with it, I could just throw it in the trash. What I will do, you can use Louisiana fish seasoning. That's what I've chose today. You can use cornmeal or whatever you prefer for your fish, however you want to braid your fish. And also the fish I chose, it could be a fish of your preference, but today I have chosen swordfish. So I will take my swordfish, which has already been cut up and washed off, and I will take and I cut it in 4s. I actually have just 2 pieces, and I cut it in 4s. Well, I cut them in half to make 4 out of the 2 pieces. And just mix them all up in there. And then I have a deep fryer that I will put mine in. So I'm just going right there. Take my fish, layer them in there like so. And just drop them down in there. And then I will braid my other 2 pieces of fish. Shake them up like so. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, 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 shake. And those are ready to go. And so I will wash my hands, and I will get my plate ready for when I pull my fish out the fryer. I layered my plate with a paper towel so that it can soak up the grease before I lay it on my tortilla shell. And when the green light comes on, I just pull it on up, drain my fish, and put it on the paper towel. So I put my fish in my Ziploc bag, make sure it's coated evenly on both sides. Unzip it, pull it out and place it in there. Place it in there like so. My fryer, drop it down, place my lid on, and I wait for my green light to go off and come back on. Alrighty, so we are gonna make our fish tacos. So I have my 2 tortillas and I have my pieces of fish. We're gonna apply each piece of fish to the bread. And we have our slaw and our pico de gallo out of the refrigerator. You're gonna take your pico de gallo, your slaw. You're gonna take your slaw and place it on your fish. And you're gonna take your pico de gallo and top it like so. And you'll do the other one the same way. Take your slaw, and spread it evenly if you so choose. And then you take your pico de gallo and put it on there like so. Two limes and your cilantro. And there you have your fish tacos. And there you have it. My plate from me to you. Thank you for tuning in and watching how to make fish tacos. Please like, subscribe, and comment down below. Have a good evening.